Make 100 easily. Today, we are going to learn how to make 100 in a very easy way. Let's count in tens up to 100. Ready? Let's go together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If we already have 10, how many more do we need to make 100? We need 90 more to make 100. 10 plus 90 equals 100. If we already have 20, how many more do we need to make 100? We need 80 more to make 100. 20 plus 80 equals 100. Great job! Want more making 100 questions? Download the free worksheet from the description below. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.